Hello guys and welcome to the new episode. Let's check out some new moto videos from this week.
Go. Hi, I'm right across from the Bull and Barrel. There's a city garbage can on fire. Don't go near the garbage can!
Thank you.
Yeah.
This got to be one of the craziest motorcycle robbery attempts. Thieves even fired a shot at bikers. Take a look.
Sai! Ô Felipe!
Luckily, this biker wasn't seriously injured in this head-on accident. But on the other hand, his bike is gone.
It's pouring fuel on the exhaust.
Little babies sleeping, and when you ride by their house like that, you're disturbing their brainwaves. You're disturbing.
Wait, me specifically?
No, generally.
Oh.
Just letting you know.
That's why my bike's nice and quiet. You hear that?
I know.
Yeah.
These guys tried to be a good Samaritans and give back lost wallet. But what they found will definitely get somebody in trouble.
Oof.
I wonder if there's an ID. A Walmart card. We're gonna zip that back up.
Why? What's in there?
Pretty sure it's cocaine.
Are you serious? Holy sh**.
And a snort straw.
Dude, are you we can't take that in there. Throw that it's Oh no. What was the name on it?
It didn't have a name.
Well,
I saw a Walmart card and then jarring of cocaine and snort straw. I was like,
oh
I didn't go any further.
Yep. Where did you toss it?
This is right here.
You better burn off your fingerprints now or
I almost want to walk back in there and be like, hey, you need to come outside.
yeah.
I be back.
Okay. I'll guard it. Okay. Don't touch it.
No, I'll touch it because she doesn't know, so I'll take it out. I'll take it in and turn
Oh,
it.
yeah. Go turn it into.
Wait, hold on. Let us finish.
There's drugs.
Oh. No. What the
It's sitting right there.
It's cocaine, bro.
God, are you kidding me?
I'm not joking.
Okay, what do you want me to do?
I don't know. You work here, Emmy.
Manager.
Cool. Okay.
I got this.
Oh my God, Brent.
Nobody else is touching it.
Go do the good Samaritan job.
They were like, hey, this is the situation. Because I just found out this bitch. And he's like, yeah, I know what we do. And I was like, that was exactly what I thought. What do I do? So they put it in a little baggie. They put it in a little baggie and they're going to call the authorities.
Yeah, I was gonna say they're gonna get cops.
And the cops are gonna come out and they said they have cameras and they saw some, like there was some people sitting out here. I don't know where it's gonna go, but it's in the right hands.
Okay.
Way to go, Staff and Harley.
Well, this video just took a whole nother turn.
Say no to trucks, kid.
Yeah.
Meu Deus. Vou pegar a placa aí do cara.
After seeing that car wasn't stopping, biker did the best thing to help bus driver.
Vou lá pegar a placa e depois eu volto ali pro cara, tá? Vamos voltar lá. Vou levar lá a placa pro cara. Pegar o número do cara, pelo menos, né? É, galera, vocês viram aí o que aconteceu? Você tem que ter muito cuidado, cara.
No, I'm fine.
You didn't see me. Unreal.
The you dumb. What's wrong with you? Yeah, you better keep your distance, piece of shit.
This biker rode upon a car accident that just happened. Old man in the car drove in the wrong direction, hitting a few trees before he got stuck on the curb. What's interesting is that he tried to drive away after the accident.
Wait. Are you okay? Are you fine? Okay, perfect.
Go ahead and park your car.
Park your car. Put it in the park. You cannot move your car, sir. It's completely damaged. Oh my God, he's trying to move.
Move my car.
Yeah, you should.
They said that you don't have to stay. They're gonna send an officer right now.
They said that we don't need to stay?
I asked. I was like, do you need me to stay put? I'm gonna get my car hit.
Yeah, move your car, move your car. Don't worry. Move your...
Be okay?
Yeah, I have my bike over here. It's fine.
So the officer wants
Look at the police officer. He just... Okay, he's turning. Oh, he's not turning. Oh my god. There's a police officer. He just passed over here. He's fine, right?
What's that?
He's fine, right?
Yeah, he seems like he's okay.
Yeah, but he's trying to get out. He turned on the vehicle.
You weren't involved, were you?
Sorry, what?
You weren't involved, were you?
No, I just saw it. Just happened.
You see the cop pass by here.
Yeah, I saw the same. We just passed by, nothing.
Somebody called?
Yeah, there was a lady over here. Holy crap, bro.
How was that?
He's trying to get out. No, we just called 911. They are coming. He's fine. He's fine. Thank you.
Is that him that took out all the tree limbs?
I'm also curious. I don't know. I've been seeing over there. How that possible? Have no idea.
No idea what's going on.
Look at the trees there. Oh, he was in the wrong direction. Wow. Look at the front of the car. Look at this side here. Wow, he hit all the trees. Look at this. What happened? What's that?
I don't know. Well, here's TPD right here.
Oh, that was a tire.
Oh, yeah, that
The
was
tire.
that just blew up.
Yeah.
Yeah, now you don't.
Now you cannot move at all.
Good thing you weren't like foot in. If you would have been trying to drive away like that.
Nobody's hurt.
Yeah, there's nothing I can do here anymore. TPD is over here. They're going to take care of it. Everything's controlled. What are you doing? You. You old man. Mother.
Hey, Cardo, music off. Get your ass off the phone! Stupid woman. Slow down, slow down. Your fuel cap's open. Your fuel cap is open. Your fuel cap is open. Yeah, sorry. It's just really not cool for you to drive like this, yeah? There you go. You'll sort it.